Do you know that the phrase due process of law is not explicitly written in the Indian Constitution, yet it plays a key role in how Supreme Court protects our freedom. Originally, Article 21 spoke of procedure established by law. This meant that the court asked a simple question: is there a valid law? If yes, was the legal procedure followed in taking an action? In A.K. Gopalan versus State of Madras, the court took a strict view. It said that if a law exists and is properly followed, personal liberty can be restricted. So, people were protected from the misuse of power by officials, but not from an unjust law itself. Then came 1978, Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India. In this case, the government impounded Maneka Gandhi's passport without giving clear reasons. She challenged this as a violation of her personal liberty. As a result, Supreme Court took a new approach. It said that any law affecting personal liberty must be just, fair, and reasonable, not arbitrary or unfair. It expanded the meaning of Article 21 and brought it closer to the idea of due process. It also held that articles like Article 14, equality of law and equal protection of law, Article 19, right to freedom, and Article 21, right to life, are interconnected. The link between these rights is often called as golden triangle. So what do we understand? A law must not only be validly passed, but should also be fair. Today, even a law passed by parliament can be struck down if it violates fundamental rights. So while our constitution mentions procedure, our courts also focus on justice and fairness. And now the question of the day. Is the phrase procedure established by law mentioned in the Indian Constitution? Do comment yes or no. And that's a wrap. Stay tuned.